consider this evil empire thing as a threat.
Let's go. All my niggas that be speeding, man. Slow down, baby. Real niggas do real things for real money. Or you could play the fool for that plate of food. To be a made man, homie, it take time. And for that main time, stay on your grind. Sugar J when he cooking, yeah. Homie, life real, I could write a book a day. And that's a German Shepherd. If you can't smell that work in the back, canines can't smell a leaf. I've been here 10 years, I overstayed the visa. Now the judge wanna send me back, picture that. When you think you hit rock bottom, think of worse. It'll help you out, nigga, it's part of the curse. Slow down, tell me be easy, young nigga, slow down. Told him I'm a boss, I'm speeding like Ross, my mind racing. They tell me slow down, nigga, slow down, nigga, slow down. They tell me be easy, young nigga, slow down. I told him I'm a boss, I'm speeding like Ross, my mind racing. They tell me slow down, nigga, slow down. When it's in the dark, wait for the light. And they say you out of mind when you out of sight. My finger got powder burns, I just murdered a man. Left him laying in the street, it was him and me. For some dumb shit, it sounds sweet. At night I can't sleep, but the nigga deserve it. I'm nervous, cause the back of my mind, you shackled up, back in the line. Wake up in cold sweat, I'm back on my grind. When the door closed, another door open. And there's a lot of truth told in the joking. Get your mind right, to die young, it's an honor. Nigga, to live long and die twice. Slow down, they tell me be easy, young nigga, slow down. Told him I'm a boss, I'm speeding like Ross, my mind racing. Slow down, nigga, slow down, nigga, slow down. Hey, just young nigga, slow down.
God damn it, 1 fucking second. Listen, let's go home tonight. Go ahead,
slow down.
No, stop. No, stop. No, go ahead. We're all friends. No, let's stop. Let's stop.
You wanna fight me? Go ahead. You wanna fight me? You wanna fucking hit me again? Yeah. Throw your punch. Okay. Throw your punch. You wanna hit me again? Yeah.
Which one? Time to go.
We're gonna take these outside.
No problem, no problem.
Big jacket. Craig? Okay, get him outside and I'll do it. Get him outside. Get him outside.
Jacket.
Great jacket.
I'm going. Everybody gotta go.
Great jacket.
Everybody gotta go. They're gonna. No, everybody gotta go. There you go. Alright.
Jacket number. Guys, why you do
I'm getting fucking trophies right now. Come on.
I know why you the protest.
I work here. We stop. I'm not a fucking president. What the fuck is going on? I got you in the police. Don't let him go. Actually, bro, please. I'm gonna kick you out, dude. Please stop. Fuck.
Coming out with DVD, baby. It's good footage, guys. It's good footage right here, baby.
Come back. Look, I broke a nail tonight.
Oh shit.
I broke a nail tonight.